Many of you have asked, how do you tell the difference between a harmless reverse sneeze and a serious collapsing trachea? Here is the easiest way to know. A reverse sneeze happens when air is rapidly pulled in through the nose. It sounds like an intense rhythmic snort and usually stops in a minute or two. But a collapsing trachea is a structural issue. It happens when air is forced out, creating a harsh, dry cough that sounds exactly like a honking goose. Trachea issues are incredibly common in small breeds, and they're usually triggered by excitement, exercise, or a collar pulling tightly on their neck. If your dog is goose-honking, it's time to switch to a harness and see your vet.